Hey everyone, I'm Eric from the team at Pangolin. Today we're walking through how to swap on desktop. So the first step is to connect your wallet and then make sure that you are connected to the Songbird network. So you can check right here where it says Songbird or in MetaMask, it says Songbird right there. So we're good to go. Next step is to head over to the swap page in the side menu. It'll take you directly to this widget. Today we'll do Songbird to PSB, but if you were to trade another token, you could click right there and choose from our whitelisted tokens, or if there's another token that you know there is liquidity on our DEX for, you can paste in the token address here and it'll allow you to swap that token. Today we'll do 5 SGB for PSB. If you're trading Songbird, it's important to note that it's the native gas token on Songbird Network, so you want to leave a little bit of SGB in your wallet so that you have enough for transactions. Once we've entered in the amount that we want to swap, you'll see some more details below. The first is slippage tolerance, which is the maximum percent of price movement your swap will allow. Anything above that and your order will fail to execute. 0.1% is the default, but we'll show you how to adjust it for cases where there's a token tax or volatility in 1 minute. The minimum received is below that, which is the least amount of tokens you will receive based on your slippage tolerance. If the contract is trying to execute for anything below that amount, the transaction gets automatically canceled. The next is price impact, which gives you an idea of what slippage to actually expect based on your order size. Green is generally good and red is bad. Underneath that, you'll see liquidity provider fee. A 0.3% fee is charged on all swaps, and that amount is paid to liquidity providers. If you're a more advanced trader, you can hit this wheel at the top right, and it'll allow you to adjust slippage tolerance right here. Oops. So if you're swapping tokens that either have buy or sell taxes, or if the pair is extremely volatile, you can switch the slippage here up to 50%. And you can also turn on expert mode to allow you to adjust slippage above 50%. And it also lets you add a recipient wallet address. So in this case, you could add somebody else's address and it'll swap 5 Songbird to 2.7 PSB. And in one transaction, it will send that 2.7 PSB to whatever wallet address that you choose. We're going to go ahead and adjust this back to 0.1%, turn off expert mode, and then confirm our swap. And you'll see here when you go to confirm your swap, it'll show you how much gas you're being charged for the fee, and then your total amount below that. If we hit that, you can close it out. And if you check on Explorer, we can see that we just traded 5 Songbird for 2.7. That's it for swaps. If you have any questions, you can join our Discord and chat with a team member. And if you found this helpful, you can subscribe to the channel. We'll be making a lot more of these. Thanks.